Hello, my friends. I'm going to attempt to do a patriotic pour with red, white, and blue, and trying to avoid ending up with purple. So that means I'm going to layer white in between each red and blue. I don't have a lot of white left. I hope I have enough, but this is a pretty small canvas. So I'm using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed pouring paints in bright red, white, and phthalo blue. So let's give it a go. I'm going to do a ring pour and then ribbons. Patriotic ribbons is my hope. So I've got to cover up this red completely. I'll gently put the blue in. Try to rest it just on top of the white. Of course, when I pour it out, it's going to mix. There's no avoiding that, so I don't know if it's going to work. But we don't know unless you try, right? Can you hear the wind? My window's closed, but it is so windy out. And okay, let's do it. And pour it pretty fast so it doesn't have much time to blend together. Oh darn, there's kind of a blend. It's not too bad. Okay, I'm going to spread it around. Kind of got almost an orange. Bright red had a lot of yellow in it, I guess. Oh no, this is not what I envisioned at all. I wonder if I had poured it differently. I mean, look at that. That's pretty clear, but that is not at all what I wanted. Oh, I wonder if I can tilt all that ugliness off. It's pretty blue there. Okay, that's better. Now we just have some over here to say goodbye to. A little bit down here. I'm not going to get rid of every speck of that color I don't care for, but I'm going to run off. In fact, I'm going to run off that center, that ugly center while I'm at it. Look at that. Okay, that's not bad. Now, I can run some nice ribbons on there. I'm going to get a fresh cup. I'm trapped in a awkward position here because my dog is right under my feet. Okay. little red, a lot of white, and a little blue. And time for some ribbons. Okay, now when I first start pouring it out, the blue and white are going to come out, so I'm going to turn this around and start the ribbons on this side. I mean the opposite, you know what I mean, where I start. Here we go. That's a solid blue. You know, I'm afraid I just don't want to get that orange again. I'm going to do yet another cup with just some red and white. And I'm going to turn it this away and start over there. One more, right across the center here. Oh, husband has returned from golf. Okay, well that's my attempt at a patriotic pour, my friends. I think it's all right, so I hope maybe you'll give it a try. And happy 4th of July. Bye-bye.